Welcome to Supsystic, a magical WordPress world where all plugins play nicely together. If this video is too quick, feel free to pause or use the cog menu as shown here to slow it down. Welcome back to part 2 of our tutorial series, Manipulating Data Tables. In this segment, we'll delve into the various methods available to manipulate and refine your data tables. Let's start by exploring the different ways you can manipulate your data tables to better suit your needs. With just a few clicks, you can arrange your data in ascending or descending order, making it easier to identify trends and patterns. Whether you're looking for data within a certain range or matching specific keywords, our plugin makes it simple to narrow down your results. Now let's try adding a search button for our data table. Go to Settings, and click on Main and look for the searching option. Tick the box, Load Preview. Now you already have a search bar on your data table. It's that simple. You also have a choice to add search boxes by columns. Or have a search by hidden fields. Show only search results. Have it on strict matching. Your choice. Pagination. Pagination in the data table improves website performance by splitting large datasets into manageable pages, enhancing user experience and reducing loading times. Go ahead and tick the box to show the pagination. You can choose the pagination button size here. In my case, I chose small. Then, I have changed how many data to show per page like so. Now for sorting, you can choose from ascending or descending, and which column to follow. Let's try sorting column number 2 or the position header. Now, let's go to Main Settings and add a caption to our table. The caption is the title of your table, as you can see here once we tick the box. You can also add a short description like so, and add a signature if you like. Now, for header option, you can choose how many headers you want and make it a fixed header. Let's try. You can also add footer and customize it. Let's try and add a footer just for the sake of this video. Now here, you can allow indexing. You can add index, which are your row number, to your table. And in this area, where you can control your data format. Now, let's go to Appearance tab. Here, you can control your table width. Align by first table, fixed table layout. You can choose compact table to decrease the amount of white space. Disable or enable text wrapping and paragraph mode. You can also add lightbox for your images as well. And align merge cells here. This will align columns which have include merge cells to left. Borders if ticked, adds border around all 4 sides of each cell. You can also add row stripping. This add automatic highlight for table odd rows. You can also choose highlighting by mouse over, or highlight the order column. Go ahead and try it. Now let's change our table loader icon by ticking the box here, and choose the loader color as well. Perfect. Now let's delve deeper in styling our table by ticking custom styles here. Choose your custom table styles here from font to border. Any settings you leave blank will default to your theme styles. Styling your table allows you to create a visually appealing design that matches your website's theme seamlessly, enhancing overall aesthetics. By customizing table styles, you can improve readability and user engagement, making it easier for visitors to navigate and interact with your data. Additionally, personalized table styles can help reinforce your brand identity and professionalism, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. Go ahead and try it yourself. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to manipulate and optimize your data tables like a pro. Stay tuned for more tutorials on advanced data table techniques in our upcoming segments. Happy tabling! Only in Supsystic.